Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The best DSLRs still stack up really well against the latest mirrorless cameras, especially if you value old-school handling over the latest gadgets. Mirrorless cameras may be all the rage now, but DSLR design still offers a strong, chunky build, value for money, and a range of lenses that mirrorless cameras have yet to match. We've tested every DSLR on the market, and these are our favorites right now. DSLRs are an affordable way of making the jump from a camera phone or a point-and-shoot compact camera. The best DSLRs are not that far behind their mirrorless counterparts, even today. Many DSLRs include modern mirrorless features such as 4K video, on-sensor phase detect autofocus, and effective live view modes.
Number 3. Canon EOS 1DX Mark III.
With the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III, the typically cautious company has released a camera packed with bleeding-edge tech, including deep learning AF, an optical smart controller, HEIF and HDRPQ support, CF Express, 12-bit internal 4K RAW, head tracking, and so much more. Canon has combined the advantages of DSLR and mirrorless to produce a hybrid body that can shoot according to what the situation demands, offering the best of both worlds. With the sheer speed of an optical DSLR with the advanced accuracy of mirrorless, it's a true hybrid system that molds to the needs of individual professionals and individual shooting scenarios. Moreover, it marked a genuine turning point for Canon in terms of video, at long last delivering the uncropped 4K video that has for so long eluded the manufacturer.
Number 2. Nikon D780.
The long-awaited upgrade to the much-loved Nikon D750 certainly didn't disappoint us. The Nikon D780 includes the same on-sensor phase detection autofocus as the Nikon Z6 to give the same mirrorless live view performance, a great advantage for stills photography and especially for video. Admittedly, Nikon was a bit slow off the mark, as Canon has used its own dual-pixel CMOS AF in its DSLRs to do the same thing for years. However, the D780 doesn't just have advanced live view AF. It also comes with a high-resolution tilting touchscreen display, 4K UHD video, dual UHS-2 compatible memory card slots, and continuous shooting speeds up to 12 frames per second in live view mode. Combine that with its solid design and comfortable grip, and you've got a camera that's an instant classic. We found that the D780, like other Nikon DSLRs, combines a well-thought-out design with a solid build and very satisfying handling.
Number 1. Nikon D850.
APS-C format DSLRs, like those earlier in our list, offer a decent compromise between features, quality, and price, but professionals will demand a step up in image quality, and that means a full-frame DSLR. We found the Nikon D850 an expensive camera, though prices are falling, but with capabilities that put it in a class of its own. Its 45.7 MP resolution is spectacular. It has a 153-point autofocus system and can capture images at 7 frames per second or 9 frames per second with the optional NBD18 battery grip. Amazing video features also make it one of the best 4K camera choices around, though the newer Nikon D780 would be a better and cheaper choice for videographers. We know the Nikon D850 doesn't have the new Nikon D780's hybrid on-sensor autofocus technology, so its live view autofocus speeds are relatively pedestrian, but we don't find that much of a handicap for measured professional photographic shoots, and it scarcely puts a dent in the D850's all-around appeal as arguably the best DSLR of all time for professional photographers.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.